Most time you just want to send random people money without asking for crypto address, bank details, but you just want to send them with code that they can redeem anywhere, like gift card or something. So this video I'm going to show you how you can create a gift card with your Binance account. You can create a gift card on Dogecoin, on Shiba Inu, on a number of cryptocurrency. You can create different gift card and give the number to anybody, and they could redeem it at any point in time. Whoever have the number could redeem it at any point in time. So you want to stay to the end of the video so that you don't make any mistakes. All right, so you as well could redeem your own gift card on your Binance account. Apparently the gift card I created in this video, you can redeem it at the end of the video. So if you are watching towards the end of the video, or at the end of the, when you get to the end of the video, you will see a gift card to redeem. You just few cents. All right, so now that I found that, from time to time I'll be making videos and be adding some gift card around my videos so that people can redeem maybe $2, $3, $10, $20, $100 gift card. All right, so always watch and subscribe so that you don't miss out in any. So let's just dive right into the video right now.
Do you also want to have great testimonials like so many persons who have watched my videos keep having and keep sending every single time, talking about recovered fund, money online, and so many stuff like that? So you want to be sure that you're actually subscribed to my channel. Enable the notification bell button so that whenever I upload video, you'll be the first to see this video. So first of all, you need a Binance account, and if you don't have Binance account, please check the link in the description of this video for a Binance account. Register an account for yourself. All right, so let me go into my Binance account right here. So now when you are in Binance account, this is how the interface look like. So if yours is looking like something like this, now if yours is looking something like this, okay, you just got to make some changes about it by just going to your profile. Let me click on the main, click on your profile right there, and then uncheck this button to show the entire account, because the navigation here is actually easy. All right, so you click on wallet, click on funding wallet. Then when you click on funding, you will see gift cards, and that section you could do a lot. Okay, so here I will choose the particular gift card I want to buy. Okay, you can see what is there is Dutch gift card. So there are good numbers of gift card that I could buy here. Okay, apart from the Dutch gift card you're seeing right there. Okay, you can see I can buy gift card with BUSD gift card, BNB gift card, USDT gift card, MC gift card, that's 𝗦𝗚𝗡, then BTC gift card, Ethereum gift card, Shiba Inu gift card, and Dutch gift card. These are the ones available as at the moment I'm actually making this video. So let me tap on BUSD gift card for instance. Okay, the amount you're buying is always measured in USDT. That's the default you will see right there. Okay, so if you tap there, you can actually switch to BUSD NGN for me, that is in Nigeria, or RUB. Okay, so I might decide to use USDT, or if I have BUSD on my account, I use BUSD. All right, so now to buy this gift card, I'll just need to tap on the total amount that is on my account to buy the gift card. So if I tap buy, confirm, and verification code will be sent to both my email and my phone number. So now I believe you might not be seeing this interface, but I have to enter verification code for phone number, then enter verification code for email 161253, and submit. So the moment I submit, I've automatically just bought gift card with BUSD. Okay, so now I can decide to send this BUSD gift card via email to anybody. So those of you that are watching this video, you could actually redeem this gift card. All right, I'm going to reveal the gift card number right here, so you can redeem this gift card on your other end. So if you are the one that redeem this gift card, please comment in the comment section. All right, so if I tap redeem and confirm redeem,
it will be redeemed. Okay, the gift card has been redeemed. I successfully redeemed that gift card. Okay, so let me go over it again. Let's say I'm buying let me just buy it again so that you guys can see it. So when you redeem a gift card, the funds goes into the spot wallet. Okay, it goes into goes into spot wallet. Yeah, or it goes into funding wallet, right? Goes into funding wallet. So this is the gift card that I just redeemed. So I could attempt buying it again. Let me show you guys how to actually redeem in case you want to redeem a gift card that someone sent to you. Now when you get to this interface right here, now there are so many navigation down here. You can see at this section here, you can see redeem. Tap on redeem, and then you could redeem the gift card that either in crypto gift card or fiat gift card. Fiat gift card is if they sent you the gift card in your local currency like naira or US dollar. So now if I tap on the redeem gift card, all I need to paste in here is the code, the 16 gift card code, and then tap on redeem, and then the money will be in my crypto account. Okay, so anybody around the world could use their Binance account to redeem gift card. All right, so I have to go back to the home page again. Now on this store section here, you could buy a lot of things, P2P turning. You could buy a lot of gifts for people for Halloween and all of those stuff like that in the form of code. Okay, so you could also buy token gift card. Okay, this is the token gift card we're actually talking about right now. So let me go back to buy that BUSD gift card for anybody that is watching this video to this extent. So you could redeem it. It's very little, but just redeem it. It's something. Okay, so let me go over it again. Tap here to change to BUSD, that's the crypto I have, and then hit 100%. Hit 100%. Okay, I need this money to be in my, let me say BUSD. I need it to be in my spot wallet. Transfer to spot wallet. Go back to gift card. Tap on BUSD. Okay, 100% BUSD. Yeah, so remember only money in spot wallet is being used up, but when you redeem it goes to P2P wallet, that's funding wallet. So tap 100%. Tapping 100%. Okay, redeem gift card. Send code to both phone and email. Copy the code for send to phone. Then the code sent to email. Zero 27631. All right, so boom, it automatically just ordered another gift card. So this gift card right here, yeah, this is the gift card code right here. So if you're able to redeem it, please email me or just comment in the comment section that you redeem the gift card. All right, thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. So you want to hit that subscription button right now, subscribe, and see you in my next video.